Hi my friends, this is Ian Stewart over at Buildabizonline. I want you to do something positive today. If you have a downline at Buildabizonline, I'd like you to email them to encourage them. Not to join a program, but to encourage them. There is a difference, okay? So what I'd like you to do is to click on this link just here. That will take you to the page where you can email them. Now, a lot of people send their downline an email that looks rather bland. So what I want to do in this video also is not only to encourage you to mail your downline, but also to send them something a little bit prettier, what we call rich text. Now, the way that you do that is you click on here and it will bring you through to our WYSIWYG. Now, WYSIWYG means what you see is what you get. So in other words, whatever you type here, and I've already done one to speed an email to speed this process up, this is what they will see. So it cannot be done in Google, but it can be done when you are mailing your downline. So to show you what I mean, I've done this beforehand, okay, but I want to highlight a couple of words. So whatever I do in here, they will see that in their email. Okay, so I want to do that, and I want to highlight this as well. Okay, this way of sending an email in this rich text, as we call it, is what I call a proper way to send an email. Otherwise, if you just type, it just all goes flat and following one line after another, after another, after another. But this is far better. And also I'm going to highlight that as well. Okay, and that will do. Now, when sending an email like this, you cannot just copy it now. What you have to do is click on source, and then you highlight all of it, copy, and you come back to this page, and then you paste it into that box there. Okay, and I'm just going to put there, hi to all at team build a biz online. Okay, that's what I call my personal downline. In fact, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go like that. Now, what happens is when I click send, obviously it will send an email to everybody in my downline. Okay, and that is the best way to send an email using what we call our WYSIWYG rich text editor. So what I'm going to do now is just click send the message, and all my downline will get an email. And it's important that we encourage our downline. We cannot just expect them to join us and then just leave them in limbo. They want to hear from you. So that is what I'm encouraging you to do today. To click on here, I'll put this video just underneath here, and then it will remind you every time you log in. Now you will be able to email your downline. I believe I've set it to every 24 hours, but don't bombard your downline with lots of programs, okay, to join, because they will soon get fed up and they will leave Buildabizonline and leave you. Okay, my friends, so thanks for listening, and bye for now.